Part of what's happened in the world today is this exponential sort of growth in different types of automation.
We're seeing customers that have a massive increase in SKU growth and are very challenged with space, challenged with a growing amount of products to make available to their customer.
Some operations just keep going 2 shifts a day the whole year, Monday through Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then in peak it's 3 shifts.
E-commerce is much more labor intensive and labor is becoming a scarcity.
So they can't just throw people at the problem. They have to throw technology at it and invest in automation to try and solve some of those problems and make that experience seamless to their customer. SDI is a problem solver, and we have very creative and inventive people that really understand how to come up with a creative solution to solve a particular challenge.
Our specialty is within what we'd say the 4 walls of a warehouse. Avenues of investment are software and then innovating new product and refining our new products. Like, for example, the Joey pouch sorter has gotten a good name in the e-commerce environment.
Although we do manufacture our own equipment, we have access to other people's equipment.
We try to source different technologies that will meet the needs of this ever-changing business of delivery.
Probably the best way to describe it is the scalability. We can deliver a distribution center that has one single sorter, and then as we start adding sub-modules, we scale that up, and it's able to grow into a much larger product.
Clients really come to us for one solution or multiple solutions to make one big solution.
The moment that client makes a commitment to SDI, we have internally what we call project launch. We all get together immediately on Skype.
Our customers value that access to the executive team because the process is complicated, complex, and you require timely responses.
We do a lot of analysis and data reviews, drilling into the overall metrics of those businesses.
The data guides us to validate to what solutions are going to be the most appropriate.
We've been investing in warehouse management systems and a fully integrated warehouse execution system.
Our warehouse management software is designed to be integrated with the controls layer of the buildings. So with this new step, the user would log into one web portal and have access to everything, not just at a warehouse management level or at the controls level, but it covers the entire distribution center. We have help desk, one in New Jersey, one in Florida, and one in Chile. There is a call-in desk in Brazil as well.
Not only are we like a consultant coming up with analysis and designs, but then we engineer, manufacture, and implement, so we get to see these designs come to life and actually used.
We have offices in Los Angeles, Florida, New Jersey, Brazil, Colombia, Peru, Mexico, and Chile.
We have done work all over the world, pretty much in every continent, and this cross-fertilization of ideas and knowledge really helps produce the best designs for the local markets that we're serving.
Latinoamérica es un mercado importante para nosotros porque existen compañías que están creciendo muy rápidamente y tienen que dar un salto tecnológico grande de lo manual a lo altamente automatizado.
Hoy día Latinoamérica y Estados Unidos es una sola oficina que trabaja en conjunto. Hoy día somos una empresa que, con todos los años de experiencias acumulada que tenemos, hemos ido mejorando nuestros procesos, nuestra metodología de proyectos, nuestro entendimiento de la situación, lo cual nos permite ser con mucha más certeza a la hora de entregar las soluciones a nuestros clientes. Hoy día yo creo que como gran diferenciador tenemos el poder tener muchas implementaciones exitosas y donde el cliente finalmente obtuvo el resultado que estaba esperando o incluso lo sobrepasó.
SDI can move much more nimbly than other companies.
The culture of the organization is such that we are very accessible, and it enables us to get to solutions and solve problems quickly. We have customers that have been doing business with SDI for over 20 years. and they keep coming back to us because they trust us to do what we say we're going to do. And frankly, I think they like doing business with us as well.